Welcome to Drill Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit. One drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Your sketchbooks are the most important tool for your creativity. They are your creative playground for experimenting, exploring art tools, themes, ideas. Your sketchbook is not just to sketch in, it's a place where you can express yourself in. It's a personal journal, a diary if you want to call it, the story of your life. That's why I selected a few of the many sketchbooks I have filled over the years to share here with you today. By drawing in my sketchbooks on a regular basis, I am building up a fantastic story and so many memories that I would otherwise may have forgotten about. I hope watching this sketchbook tour sparks a little bit of inspiration. And I want you to know that there's a fantastic course about the art of sketchbook keeping. It's called A Zillion Ways to Fill Your Sketchbook. It's like a big fat encyclopedia with zillions of ideas, pictures, projects, techniques and tips to inspire you to make art journaling a lifelong habit. So come and join us at sketchbookschool.com.